Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out how to install Davinci Resolve. So Davinci Resolve is a very advanced video editing software. You can also edit audio. You can do the different audio video effects on your you can say the clip that you have recorded, audio clip or video clip. Then you can do the post processing on that clip. So it is very advanced. You can even create shorts also. You can do reels on the Davinci Resolve. Then also you can do long format, short format videos. All kinds of very advanced Hollywood level video audio effects can be done to the video clip that you have got or audio clip that you have got. So you have to go to the Davinci Resolve website and you have to download the installer. So in Debian and Ubuntu, it is very easy to install. There are not many requirements to do so. The method to install is very simple. So first you have to download this zip file. Zip file is big. It is around 3.1 GB, so it will take long to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to unzip. So a folder will be created, and inside the folder there will be instructions how to install the Davinci Resolve on your system. So for Ubuntu and Debian, it's very easy. So either you follow this instruction or you can directly just install this by right clicking on it, and you have to hit the run button. You should have sudo privileges, else it will ask you for the sudo privileges. You have to provide the sudo privileges and the installer will proceed. So we can directly do the installation using run, and in other Linux distributions we will have to make use of this. So it is a helper file to install the Davinci Resolve on particular Linux distribution. So that we will check out in some other video. Today only we will do the installation. So I will install this Davinci Resolve 18.0.4 on my laptop. So I use Debian for the recordings for video edition. So I will install this on my laptop. I will hit the run button. So here the installers are activated, and you have to do nothing. You have to just hit the next button. So there is a small readme. You have to read that. So what is new in the Davinci Resolve 18.0.4? This is the older version. I think this is 1 year old. But once you install this, the app can update itself, and time to time some updates, bug fixes and all those kinds of new features are released. You can install. So Davinci Resolve in the free format has some less tools, features available. So the effects, number of effects will be less, but it is still very good. So if you are a newbie, if you are new in video editing, you have got a new channel on Facebook, Instagram or on YouTube, you can use this to create the videos, reels, shorts, and this is some extra information. And you will also need to download and install the latest Blackmagic Design desktop video software for monitoring with your Blackmagic Design video hardware. So the company that develops this Davinci Resolve is known as Blackmagic Design. So you have to go to the website of Blackmagic Design, and from there you have to fill up a small form is there. So that will ask you what exactly you want to do with the free version of the Davinci Resolve. So you have to tell, I just want to do a trial, and then it will let you download the Davinci Resolve software, and it is around 3.1 GB. Once it is downloaded, you have to unzip the installer, and then you have to run the installer. So now we are proceeding ahead with the installation. You have to agree with the terms and condition of the software company, that is Blackmagic Design, and you can give the option to show the detailed log, and the installer will begin with your authentication. You have to authenticate as a sudo user or a root user, and installer is very fast. See, almost 39% is already completed. Just like in Windows, it's very easy to install Davinci Resolve on your Linux distribution, especially Ubuntu and Debian. It's very easy. You can install it on Fedora also. You can install on Arch also. but in those distributions the installation way is different. So I will do a video on that also. So now you can see the plugins are getting installed, the Davinci control panels are getting installed. So it's very fast and easy way to install this, and it is very powerful tool. The Hollywood folks use this to do the post production on their movies. So if you got some home videos like your family videos, your travel and tour videos, you can use Davinci Resolve to create professional level effects on those videos, and then you can upload them to the social media sites, share with your family and friends. So it will be a great viewership for all of your circle. So now the installation is almost complete. Again, it is asking me for the password. So it is doing a post install, removing the obsolete files. So when it installs the certificates, it will ask you for a password. So we have provided the password, and the certificates from the Blackmagic have been installed. And now after the certificate installation, it is doing post install steps like removing the obsolete files. There will be number of post install steps, and then the installation is complete. I think around 2-3 minutes have passed, or we almost completed 99% of the installation. So here you can see the different plugins. It is installing the application icons, then updating the icon cache, and after this step I think the installation will complete. It is creating some GTK icon cache. So that's done. It has installed the Fairlight panel API, created the common data directory, and the installation is complete. It has installed some plugins also. These are the plugins, audio video plugins that has been installed. Hit the finish button. Now what we will do is we will have to check this out. Yes, so here you can see the Davinci control panel setup is there. Davinci Resolve has been installed. So we will pin this to dash. Once it has been done, we have to provide it a place in our dock. I will put it here, just beside the media player, VLC media player. Just open up, wait a moment. The first boot will require some time. Okay, so I think it is taking some time to open up. First boot is very slow. Once the first boot has been done, every time it will open very fast. We can just force quit it, and I will try it again. This time it will open up. Yes, now you can see it is starting up. So unsupported GPU processing mode. Please review the GPU drivers and GPU config. So you require NVIDIA or AMD processor for this. So you will require a dedicated graphics card. Otherwise, this will not work. So you have to update the configuration and you have to add the GPU here. Otherwise, with the integrated graphics, this software is not going to work, and you will require around 16 GB at least to make it work satisfactory. I got 88 GB, but it is just working. So you require another 8 GB at least to make it work satisfactorily. So here you can see, you can do the GPU settings from here. So you'll have to give it at least 4 GB to work. In 4 GB it works very slowly, but at least it is working. It does not crash. But you require at least 8 GB to make this work satisfactorily. So total system requirement should be 16 GB, and you have to provide 8 GB to the Davinci Resolve. If you have got 32 GB, it is best. So you can dedicate around 16 GB of RAM to the Davinci Resolve, and 16 GB you can keep it for system, or you can have 8 GB out of the 32 GB for the system, and rest all you allocate to this Davinci Resolve. Then it will work very fantastically, and the post production will be speeded up. Otherwise, it is a hindrance. It will work very slow. So you have to allocate the memory usage. So what I will do is I will just allocate 3 GB. It is not going to work very satisfactorily, but at least it's working. And Fusion memory cache to 763 MB, so that this way at least my system will not stall. And you have to, let me check. So only auto mode is right now, but I can do the settings. So when you use this, you have to keep the NVIDIA card at the maximum performance. So you have to keep the graphics performance at maximum, and then only start this system. Okay, so now again we will have to start this. This time it will work. Okay, so you can see here it is still not working. But this is the way to do the things. So I think I will have to buy more memory. I think 16 GB will be required. Then only this will work. So now I will stop the video here. So you got an idea how the Davinci Resolve can be installed very easily on Debian or Ubuntu Linux distribution, and how to do the configuration of the Davinci Resolve to get started. So later on we will do some more advanced videos if time permits, if you support, because you see in our channel only 242 subscribers are there. We require at least 1000 subscribers to make the channel monetize, and then I can earn something, because all these advanced videos I have to make for free, and also not just free, I have to devote at least 4 to 5 hours daily to make those videos. So it is very time consuming. So there has to be some remuneration for the time I am devoting to make videos for you. Everybody likes it, but they are not subscribing. So please subscribe. Just don't view the video. Put one subscribe, one like. You can also comment, give us feedback. Then only the channel can proceed ahead. Otherwise, I have to do one or two videos every week only. I cannot afford to do 1 or 2 videos daily. I can only do 1 or 2 videos per week, because it is very time consuming. I must have some remuneration, some support for my work. So please do that. Ask your friends and families to subscribe to the channel. One loyal subscriber can bring at least 4 or 5 more subscription, and that way we can easily achieve the 1000 subscribers. So please help me, and we will continue doing good videos for all all of you. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.